Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another Math 170 concept session. My name is Nick, and I work with the ASU Tutoring Centers, and today we're going to be talking about double angles. Now, first off, let's go ahead and just write out our double angle equations. The first one is going to be the sine double angle. So we have sine of 2 theta. That's where the double angle comes from. Equals 2 sine theta times cosine theta. Okay. And then we have the cosine double angle as well. And that is cosine squared theta minus sine squared theta. Perfect. Now, if you notice in the problem, they only give us sine theta. They don't actually give us what cosine is. So first off, before we can even begin solving these double angles, we actually first need to solve for cosine. And the way we can do that is by using what's called the Pythagorean identity. We actually are going to have a concept session all about what this identity is about. So go ahead and check that out if you'd like. But this is a good way to find what cosine equals, because essentially what the Pythagorean identity is it's sine squared of theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So then what we can do from there is plug in our sine of theta, which is 1/3. But remember, we're going to want to keep that squared. So we're going to square that plus cosine squared theta equals 1. From there, we know that 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. And then what we can do from there is subtract 1/9 to the other side. So we get cosine squared theta equals 8/9. Okay. And then from there, what we can do is get rid of the squared by square rooting both sides. So those go away, and we're left with cosine theta equals the square root of 8/9. Just to kind of simplify it and make it a little bit easier going forward, we can actually break down the square root of 8/9 to be the square root of 8 divided by the square root of 9. These two are equal to each other. So from there, what we can do is we know the square root of 9 is 3, right? And then the square root of 8 can break down to 2 rad 2, right? So this is going to be what our cosine equals. So now that we have our cosine and our sine, now we can start plugging into our double angle equations here. So the first one, we'll just go ahead and just do sine of 2 theta first. So we plug that in, so we can do 2 times our sine, which is 1/3, times our cosine, which is 2 square root 2 over 3. Now, if we multiply this out, we should get 4 square root 2 over 9. And that's our answer for the sine double angle. And if we look at cosine of 2 theta, we can equal that out to our original equation and just plug everything in. So if we remember, our cosine is our 2 square root 2 over 3 squared minus our sine squared, which is our sine, which was 1/3, right? And then we can square that. And then if we solve that out, basically what we do is we get 8/9 minus 1/9. Which equals out to 7/9. So these are our two double angles, right, that we calculated using the formula. Again, double angles can also be useful to either translate double angles back to regular equations that we have here. So if you ever are like trying to solve an equation and you notice that you have this like 2 theta here, make sure that you always remember to convert it to what these equal out to. But other than that, I hope that kind of explained the concept really well for you. If you have any other questions, go ahead and check out tutoring.asu.edu for more information about all the free resources at your disposal from being an ASU student. We actually have tutoring centers located on all 4 major campuses, as well as an online campus as well. If you like this concept video and want to check out more just like it, go ahead and click on that other link on your screen, and that'll direct you to a document that has all of the other concept videos for Mat 170 listed out. But other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day and good luck in your course.